Hey! Today I want to give you a quick update of our chicken coop and the life of our chickens and ducks in the winter configuration. And here is Oppo. Oh. So this is my studio, and this is what it looks like with some snow in the backyard. Let's go, Oppo. So this is our chicken coop. Usually we have chickens and ducks in the backyard, but they are not around here right now. Alright, here we are. Just gave them some bird seeds on the ground, so that's what they are picking at. And here are our ducks. I scattered some straw on the deck to give them something to stand on and pick at. So this is the winter version of our water fountain for the chickens and ducks. It has heater mounted on the bucket, and the bucket is insulated with this puffy fabric. So these are the nipples. So they can pick at these red things, and the water comes down as they pick. Oppo, do you want to show? Hi, Sasha. And then we have a little patch for them to lounge in a dry spot. And here's PDD. The PDD observes moisture up to 6 times of its body weight, and binds with ammonia odor. So it works not only just in the chicken coop, but it works on the deck too, especially under this patch. There's a little tray filled with a cup. This patch is covered with PVC. Keep the chicken poo dry and easy to pick up. Also, just when there's snowfall, we try to remove the snow from the deck as much as possible. And this area is dry because of this roof covering the deck. So this is their favorite place to hang out when it's wet and cold in the backyard. But they still go back to the coop in the evening, and they just like to come out during the daytime, just hang out on the deck. I just want to show you how beautiful the lighting is in the backyard. Well, actually in the front yard. Come on. Come on, Sasha. Nice lighting for photo shoot. I like taking videos of them and save good frames from the video instead of taking individual photos for my painting reference. A little bit of backlighting effect. Beautiful. Sasha, get into the light. Come on. Oh, look at this nice lighting. This is the view from our front yard. Is this pretty? Solar panel blocking our view. Hi, Oppo. Alright, let's go visit the chicken coop. So we have an automatic chicken gate that closes at the programmed time of the day, and it also opens by itself every day, so it's pretty reliable. And this is our main door. So this is the main feeder bin, and it holds tons of food. The chicken pellet. It's more than enough for the entire month. So the little flap on each side opens with their weight on the step. Well, my hands are getting so cold holding the phone. Maybe it's time for me to go back to inside. So it's after 4 o'clock and all the birds are gone from the deck and heading back to the coop. So let's go check them out. Looks like all the chickens are already inside. Ducks are having dinner. Hello, chicks. What's going on? Hi, Puffy. June. They're just sitting down. And there sometimes there's a competition for their favorite spot. All right. Good night, chicks. Once it gets dark, they stop fighting. That's another reason we don't want to have a artificial light for a long time, because they're gonna keep fighting. All the chicks and ducks counted. Good night, everybody. Now all the birds are in bed, I can go back to studio and get more work done.